Huawei P20 Pro has created a lot of buzz for its unique triple camera setup on the back, contrary to a trend of dual camera setups. And now, Huawei has launched the much awaited P20 Pro in India. This is the Huawei P20 Pro in midnight blue color variant, and it has a glossy back. At the front, we have a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED full view display with 1:1 million contrast ratio and a 105% color gamut. It is said to have a natural tone display comfortable for all light conditions. And yes, this has a notch at the top of the display just like the iPhone X, but EMUI gives an option to turn off the notch and make the top bar go completely black to hide the notch. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core Huawei Silicon Kirin 970 processor, which has a dedicated neural processing unit that enables artificial intelligence computations to occur locally instead of over the cloud. The NPU is said to provide 60% better system response speed. The P20 Pro has a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which cannot be expanded. It comes with 360-degree face unlock feature that's set to unlock the phone in less than 0.6 seconds. The Huawei P20 Pro features triple camera lens module at the back that's manufactured in partnership with Leica. There's a 40 megapixel primary camera that's RGB sensor, a 20 megapixel monochrome module, and an 8 megapixel camera that offers 3x lossless zoom. The P20 Pro offers 4D predictive focus that's said to provide instant focus with motion prediction and supports 6-axis stabilization and 960 fps super slow motion video recording. There's also a 24 megapixel imaging sensor at the front that has a LED light and gets a face unlock feature that works well in the dark. Rounding off the features, the P20 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery that's touted to a 22 hours of 1080p video playback. The device is also IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The Huawei P20 Pro comes at midnight blue and black color variant, and it's priced as 64,999 rupees, and it's available exclusively from Amazon starting 3rd of May. Thank you for watching, and do let us know what you think about the pricing of the Huawei P20 Pro.